Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnock Reviews, and today we're checking out a very special 2025 Viking 48 convertible called Mack Attack. This was on display at the St Pete Boat Show, and this one is a very unique boat with an extremely high specification. That hand grenade you see down here, that's a seakeeper for giving you extra stabilisation while you're underway. I love the teak deck that's on here, and as much as you're expecting this to be a great fishing boat, I want to show you the inside first to show you how good of a boat this is as a luxury yacht, and then obviously we'll focus on the fishing features later. As you step in, it's hard to believe you're actually on a fishing boat. I love all that high gloss woodwork. You've got the large windows giving you plenty of natural light, great headroom, tremendous amount of artificial light so you can cruise on this day and night. Very comfortable seating. That way you can enjoy cruising to the different fishing tournaments and fishing grounds. TV mounted up on the bulkhead. You got your dining table on the opposite side. Plenty of storage throughout. Different lockers and drawers. And as you can see, everything's got a place because it's designed for serious offshore cruising as well as cruising at speed. Now when you design and build the Viking 48, you have got a wide range of options. And as you see in here, the galley has got a high spec with your dishwasher, it's got the fridge freezer, it's got your electric stove top, you got good countertop space so you're going to be able to prepare all your favourite meals. Stainless steel sink. And again there's storage up here. And this time you're going to find a microwave oven in here, it's a Samsung. And you can really see that gloss finish. But I like the way that they've also got the drawers that slide out, that way it's easier to access the things at the back. And there's plenty of room in here that you're not going to feel crammed in when you're cooking, especially when the boat's underway. Make your way down the passageway, and again this feels more like a luxury yacht than a fishing boat to me. I really like how easy it is to walk down here, very comfortable carpets. I don't have any shoes on here. And then starting at the bow, you've got the bunk beds, you've got that large hatch overhead, which gives not only good light and ventilation, but it's also good access too if you ever need it. You got storage down below, you get your Bluetooth stereo, hanging locker space. And as you make your way back, you'll see we've got a second cabin, again with the bunk bed effect. There's plenty of storage in this one too. That woodwork, some of the best woodwork I've ever seen on a yacht. And then moving on to the starboard side, we've got a really nice stateroom over here. This time you're going to have that island berth, which is easily accessible from either side. And you'll notice that we've got communication in here, so that way you can keep in touch with everybody on board. Some nice courtesy lighting overhead. Storage along the side, it's got a TV again mounted on the bulkhead. And then almost the drawers, lockers and cabinets, they're almost camouflaged the way you can hardly see any of the joins. This cabin itself is fully ensuite. And I should point out that this boat in particular has got 130 gallons of water, 520 gallons of fuel, and then you got the separate shower compartment in there too. And as we head back, you get the guest heads or the day heads for this one. And again, there's good room in here, separate toilet and shower. Good countertop space behind the door. And then there's storage down below for your toiletries and personal belongings. And finally got one more door. And this time behind here you're going to find you get the full laundry facilities, both the washer and the dryer. That way you've always got clean clothes, clean towels, fresh linens, things like that. That's really going to be beneficial when you're doing more of a serious passage making. This boat was registered in New Jersey, but it was filmed in St Pete. It's going to be a very comfortable boat to spend an extended period of time on board with. The boat itself measures in at 44 feet 10 inches in length. It's got a draft of 4 feet 2 and it's got a beam of 14 feet 11. I really like the arrangement you've got out the back for fishing. Such a clear deck space. But if you move up to the flybridge, this again is multi-purpose because you've got that famous Viking helm, but you get plenty of seating up here for your family and friends to enjoy it. You can relax out here in the sun. And then you can see you've got that rocket launch style rod holders along the back, but you've also got clear viewpoint, so that way you can always keep the boat on the fish. You've got your separate engine throttle controls, easier to manage that way too, especially if you're going to be rear facing. And then these hatch covers all open up, and you see that this one has got a very extensive full bank of electronics. And I like the fact that these can be hidden away, and then that way it's protected from all the elements. It should make it last a lot longer over the years. And everything's integrated together. There's multiple Garmin multifunction displays in front, and you've got all the controls for that. This one is equipped with a bow thruster. It's also got that Seakeeper down below. You've got the controls for that. And as you can see, this one's got the solid hardtop, but I like the fact that it's got these wraparound screens. These can be kept in place with great visibility, very, very clear to look through. But you can also remove these either completely or in sections. You get comfortable seating in front of the helm. You've got that seating down the side as well. And then you can see that this one is equipped with the outriggers. As much as it's serious cruising and luxury yacht, it's also a serious fishing boat. This one is going to be a clear tournament winner in the near future. And then as we move back down to the cockpit, you can see all the different rod holders that we have in place. You've also got that transom door, easy enough for access, but it's also going to be really good for landing that catch. Again, I love the woodwork that's on all the features on this yacht, but especially on here as well. And then you can see you've got your bait station along the back, and your live wells, and plenty of seats out here for when you're fishing and cruising. And it's in these seats that you're going to have access to the engine. Now the engine for this one, the boat's called Mack Attack because the boat was commissioned by Mack Boring and Parts. They're the Scania distributors. And this one is powered by twin Scania 1150 horsepower. They're 16-litre V8 engines. And I'm going to include the links to a lot of the information for this in the description. But at 2300 RPM, you're looking at 38 knots with a combined fuel consumption of 120 gallons per hour. Drop that back to 25 knots, you're looking at around 70 gallons per hour. And drop it down to 16.5 knots, and you're looking at around 46 gallons per hour. But Mack Boring have been able to run these engines on what's called RD99. It's a renewable diesel. It's a clean burning fuel made from 99% renewable feedstock, such as used cooking oil. This makes it a very clean boat to run, but in most areas it's also far more economical to run than traditional diesel. As my way in here with the GoPro, you can see that it has got a lot of light in here, so if you are doing any service and repairs, upgrades, it's going to be a really easy engine room to work in. They've got a tremendous amount of ventilation in here too. Everything is extremely well labelled, well designed, well thought out. And you've got different options and upgrades that you can use when you're specifying what you want on board. That includes water makers, desalinators, generators, air conditioning units. The list is long. So from a price point, it's hard to say exactly how much these boats cost because no two examples are the same. Ballpark, you're looking somewhere between 2.5 and 3 million depending on spec. But I'm going to leave links to Galley Yachts, also to Viking's website, and if you're serious you can reach out and get a more accurate detail from them. But I'd like to thank everybody involved for allowing me the opportunity to come on board and check this one out. It is one very impressive yacht, and I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. If you can leave a comment down below, haven't done so already, hit that like and subscribe button. It really does make a difference, and I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks everyone.